Everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Just got in my Parker crossbow arrows. These are the recommended arrows for my particular type crossbow. And they didn't have any points on them, as you can see. So I went by a little archery store, found these points. These can be a combination target point or small game, rabbit, turkey, duck, goose. And this will take them down. But I can get there as cheap by ordering them off eBay, and so I'll find my points. Basically, you're just taking it screws right in like that. And just take these and just do a little snug on it. And it's good to go. That won't come off, it'll take some effort to get that off. I'm going to order some more of these arrows. I can just get the arrows real cheap. They came in a pack of 12 and more than 12 more. I like having a supply of arrows. I like to have about 40 or 50 when it's all said and done. Thanks for stopping in. Come back and see me again when you will. Share, comment, like. Hit that subscribe button.